Today I'm going to show you how to make Instant Pot orange chicken. It's easy, it's healthy, it's fast, it's a family favorite. Start by sauteing 1 pound of chicken that's been cubed in a little bit of oil and season well with salt and pepper. While the chicken is sauteing, you're going to make a citrus sauce by combining 3/4 cup of orange juice with 1/4 cup of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, 1 clove of minced garlic, the zest of an orange, about 1 tablespoon of fresh ginger root, and 2 tablespoons of rice wine vinegar. Whisk that well to combine, and then once your chicken's golden on all sides, add in the citrus sauce and scrape up any brown bits on the bottom of the inner pot to prevent a burn notice. Pop the lid on the Instant Pot, cook for 5 minutes on high pressure with 10-minute natural pressure release. Thicken up by adding a cornstarch slurry while the Instant Pot is turned back to the saute function until it's nice and glistening. For this full recipe, be sure to visit amindfulmom.com.